Welcome back to Cricket Analysis. Here we are with the second video of the post auction. So today we are going to have Delhi Capitals on the radar. So let's get into it. What we are having.
Yeah, Rohit, if you look into it, the most surprise pick of Delhi is Steve Smith. We didn't expect it in this Steve Smith going to Delhi. We didn't even told in our auction strategy videos Steve Smith would be going for Delhi. But most of our analysis went right, except this. It's a shocker for us. But the one you
Not only
expect,
us, even so many people like even the great analysts like so many people. I can't take the names. They also have didn't expect Steve Smith to go into Delhi.
yeah, but your pick Sam Billings went to Delhi. You expected him to going into Delhi from the times.
Yeah, as there was one wicketkeeper option, they don't have an backup for Rishabh, so I expected.
And all,
Even have you seen that Sam Billings tweet?
yeah, his girlfriend said, "Hey, why can't you be a bowler?"
But
Yeah,
we can see the clear
yeah,
what to say demand for bowlers in this auction.
yeah. But quite good for him because he's back to his old team where he started playing his IPL.
Yeah, but I think there won't be any that many options for him this time.
Yeah, it all depends upon the availability of the South Africa players. Maybe
Yeah.
based on that, then he might get. And it's a quite good pick by you taking Umesh Yadav and
Yeah, it's
Tom
a
Curran.
steal, I must say. As we are the Umesh Yadav getting domestic players in this kind of auction is a great deal, I guess.
Yeah,
Now Ishant is fit. On the other hand, Umesh Yadav, I think it's great for good for them. Whatever they have bought the players, they were in the deal. I think it's a like we can say it's a steal.
yes.
Getting
And also
I
they
don't know
added.
why they went for Tom Curran, I guess.
Yeah, might be like if they don't get the main bowlers, Notge and Rabada, if they don't play the early stages of the IPL, they have to fill with Chris Fox and Tom Curran, I think so.
Yeah, but they are already having Chris Fox, Marcus Stoinix.
Yeah,
I don't know.
maybe if injuries,
Let's
it
see.
will be a good option for him. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
I guess.
let's go through some what would be the possible playing eleven of Delhi Capitals. Best
Yeah,
possible.
let us start. Yeah,
I think Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shah.
yeah. Prithvi
Uh,
Shah is.
then the number three, it might be Steve Smith or Shreyas Iyer. Maybe they are three or four. They may be positions would be don't know, but three, four, Steve Smith and Shreyas Iyer. I'd go with.
Okay,
And
but I think they might be Steve Smith also would be like a floater to them, I guess.
yeah, it also that can also be possible based on the situation of the match. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's all top heavy Indian order it's having. We can
Yes.
see the top players like Ajinkya Rahane is there. Last year he didn't get that many chances. And on the top, while we go with Prithvi and Shikhar as opener, and one down Shreyas, two down Rishabh, and five down again. It's all started with other players. There's no room for Ajinkya Rahane in that team.
Yeah. So it all bit Prithvi Shah and Rahan. They form. It depends upon the form of Prithvi Shah and Rahane. They will go with him on opening only. I think so for opening
Yeah,
only.
I think.
And number
Yeah,
five would
it's
be
all depend
Pan
on.
six Toinis. Now we got two foreigners until now. Six Toinis, seven Akshar Patel, eight Ashwin, 9, 10, 11.
9
10,
and
11
10,
is 10, 11 is Rabada and Notge.
11 will be Ishant.
Yeah,
Simple.
that's yeah,
But it's again like there are many players. They have got Lukman Meriwala,
yeah,
the thing which we have
yeah.
expected.
Domestic sensation, yes, this one.
Yeah, I don't know where they would be playing these all players.
Even what Amit Mishra is also there. They have to rotate Amit Mishra, Ashwin, Akshar Patel in one of two. They only play
Ashwin
the
is
rotate
an
two. Yeah,
Ashwin is a champion of
shoot
that
starter.
game. I think.
Yeah, shoot starter.
Yeah, if they replace him, it's not a good option, I
Yeah, it
guess.
all depends upon the conditions of the pitch.
Yeah,
and where they are
we'll
playing.
see. And but
And
I think Shikhar and Rahane should open for some games.
yeah,
Shikhar and Rahane opening, and Shreyas Iyer at one down and two down Steve Smith, five down Rishabh Pant, and then we'll go to
Stoinis.
maybe we can play. Yeah, maybe we can play Stoinis or Hetmeyer, and then Ashwin, Akshar, and if Akshar is not possible, then we can go with Amit Mishra as another spin option, and Ishant or Umesh, any one of them, depending on the team availability or the form, and then our Ravada and Nortige.
Yeah, yeah. And also another option would be possible. Like they might play three spinners if they only play in Mumbai, as like which we are getting the news. We don't know, it's not confirmed yet. If they only play in Mumbai for all the games, they might we might see three spinners playing.
It's all depend again on the match before the playing 11, but
Yeah,
this we can expect the sure starter would be like depending on the before players as we can see.
yeah.
That's it. And so this is all for the Delhi Capitals, and we'll see how this will be going for them as they are having Steve Smith and Ricky Pointing, the coach and the batsmen are the back in the team. That's what we can see. So anything, Rahul? You
Oh my God.